doing today. So today I'm actually going to be pranking my brother. Well, I'm basically doing the Ding Dong Ditch prank, but I have my sister here. She's recording behind the camera.
Ooh, what's up?
Oh guys, my actual camera's dead, so I'm going to have to record on my tablet. Don't have a phone yet, but I'm going to have to record on my tablet. So I'm actually going to be knocking on the door and running. It's basically like Ding Dong Ditch, but I've not got a doorbell. So let's
Hold this on the toilet.
Right, 1 second. Sister's going to the toilet. It was just. It's my garden. We've got dreadful weather today. Dreadful. So, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a car. 1 second. There's a car right there. I don't just in front of the bushes. That's actually a haunted car. And all you guys are gonna say, "Oh, it's fake." No, it's not fake. We see. Maggie, shut up. Yeah, guys, that's a haunted car right there. In the middle of the night at 3 a.m., the witch hour and the spooky hour, the car actually starts driving down the street on its own and there's no one in there. Like, it's weird. And Yasmin, if you're watching this, it's just a prank. Yeah. So, I'm going to record. So guys, I'm going to set up the camera and basically, I'll keep shining on the car. Yeah, and basically, it's my sister's room. Yes, and basically, I'm just going to go set the camera up. And I think I might set it up on a door view. Yeah. Guys, I hope you can see his room.
Knock on my door one more time, you little Down syndrome.
I'm just going to put the camera here. It's running down. And I'm going to put the volume on. There you go. Guys. You come up in the car, mate. You come up. No, but I'm going to show us. Guys, even that, I'm going to do it. What's up, okay? What's up, okay?
Sneeze! Sneeze!